Wait. Yeah. Go easy, go easy. It's a good shot. Slow. Look at them. See, they're digging out a place there to spawn. That pool, that's their spawning pool. And they've been digging that now. Look, they're digging right now.
So awesome.
Yeah. Isn't it crazy? Dude, these fish are monsters.
They are so big.
Look, they're back to dig more. Watch. Isn't it black?
This is so cool, man.
Look at them. They're disturbing. Which one do you think looks the tastiest?
There's one right in front of me too now. It's so cool.
I wish I knew which ones were male and females for sure. Because yeah, they're digging burrows, bro.
This is awesome.
Look at them all working together like that. To them, this water is hot. Like they are turbocharged with energy because they're warm. They're cold-blooded in warm water, you know? It's like free energy. Except it's not.
So cool.
Did you see them, how they coordinated?
Yeah.
They're digging a burrow, bro. Or maybe it's a run-up so they can jump over the next waterfall. Let's see where they go. Oh, we can't. There's no trail here. We need to have the trail follow the river the whole way. That, like when it goes away from the water, it's useless. Look at them. They're coming back for another pass.
Let's just wear water shoes.
Unless you're gonna catch one, let them alone.
Yeah.
All right.